Hey, it's John-Marc, and thanks for checking out this latest drawing video on teaching you how to draw cartoons in 3 easy steps. Well, not just draw them, but also learn how to sketch better. Hey, you notice that character up there? That's right, that's Garfield's owner, Jon Arbuckle. And he has a lot of issues if you have seen a lot of the comic strips and cartoons. Well, he's personally a favorite of mine because he's also a cartoonist like myself, maybe like you too. All right, well, how about we start the lesson today? So if you have a paper and a pencil, I think we're ready to draw this fun character. Here's step 1. And here's step 2. And here's the final third step. Don't forget to stop at our website, that's jmg-studio.biz. If you enjoyed this video, I'm sure you're going to enjoy our latest drawing book that's now available on our website, How to Draw 50 Cute Cartoons. So make sure you stop at our website, that's jmg-studio.biz. And thanks a lot.